How are you going up there? LocalReach.Club, how are you going up there? Hope life's treating you well. Hey, welcome. It's a good day. What I want to do here is quickly take a look at the Local Reach Club website. I'm going to show you the database manager here and also show you some of the new features I've added this week to this tool, especially the zoom tool. We can zoom in, we can zoom out now with just a click. And instead of having to scroll with your mouse, trying to find the right height to find leads, I've got a few shortcuts here for you so you can quickly click through to different heights that are really good for rendering lots of lead results. So let's have a look at this thing, and what I might do is I'm just going to first give a quick introduction to the database manager. We've been waiting for that one to come out, and then we'll go through some of these new features that everyone can take advantage of. So here we are on the LocalReach.Club website. It's coming along very nicely. And if you're logged in and you've got one of the Pro package or the enterprise level package, then you've got the database manager. And the database manager is designed for you to use this tool to generate leads for your business and move those leads through a marketing process and make it a little bit easier for you to actually track what you have done. So what I'm going to do is we'll come back to this page in a minute and I'll just quickly walk you through some of these features. But I'll just give you a quick sneak peek into the database manager here. So giving that a click, we're going to the DBM, which stands for database manager. And from here, you can track the history here. So here we've got our last search. And let me just actually get rid of that. I'll do some new ones in front of you and you can see how that works. Then we can store our leads in here and then we can upgrade those leads and turn them into prospects. And as we go along, we're going to have the customer feature as well. And as we move people further along down this process, you'll have access to more information on that particular lead or prospect or customer. So let's go back. So let's take a look at how we actually use this. Now I'm in Perth here in Australia. You can be anywhere in the world, go to your location. And what I've done here is I've added some buttons here to make this a little bit easier and to know how zoomed in you are. So we've got different purpose for each one of these buttons. First of all, we can back out right to the world here. That's actually a level 2 zoom. You can go out one more level. But that gives you a global look at what's going on. And as I move the map around, you can see the crosshairs there so I can see where I am. Then we've got the plane logo there, and basically that gives us an aircraft view, and that helps you to quickly navigate to whatever location you want to go to. And then we've got the binoculars there, which is almost like a bird's eye view, possibly a little bit higher than that. But from this level here, you can already start searching. So if you do a search here at the binoculars level and you end up with the max results, which is 100, then you know there's a ton more results in there, and then you can zoom into the building view and actually keep finding more results. So let's just try this out. I've got church here. I'm going to hit find leads. And there you can see quickly I've got my 100 leads here. I've got the results here, and if I click that, I've got different information on that particular lead, and we'll come back in a minute and I'll show you how this convert to lead feature works here as well. But basically, what we've got here is 100 leads. So what I can do is I can zoom into the next level, and we've jumped now from 11 to 15 level, and you can actually zoom further in or if you want. But now if we try and find leads at this level, then we can actually get more leads. So we can go around, and I only got a few there, so I'm just going to back out one notch, and you can use these as well, these controls here, and I'm going to go ahead and find some more leads. So let's say we've got a goal of generating 200 of these particular leads. So I've just zoomed out a little bit more. I'm on level 13 here. I've actually used the mouse to scroll out, and let's do one more search, and that should have us our 200 leads. There we go, 208 leads, and they're all here. And what I can do is from here, we can see we've got the Facebook, telephone, we've got email, the envelope there, We've got the globe there for their website. If they've got a website, an email, you'll see those things here. We've got the information logo. We've got this new button here for those of you that have the database manager, and you can actually click that and you can convert that into a lead. You'd obviously first want to check out their pages, but you can do it straight from here. So now when we go back to the database manager, and let's take a look at our searches here. You can see here's the different searches we've done, and we've got the keyword there, longitude, latitude. That's basically the location for your search. But we can click here to view the results, and here are all those search results. So you can go through these different search results, and you can also add them or convert them into a lead from here as well, just by giving that a click. So if we head over to leads now, you can see we've got 2 leads here. This is like our short list. These are the ones we're going to be contacting. And from here, we can turn them into a prospect, or we can turn them into a customer. Now I'm going to do different videos on these different tools, but this is how you can quickly go from just finding lots of different leads here on this particular page here, and you can bring those leads in, and we can basically just restore those results straight away. And you can go through them here, and the ones that are of interest to you, you can make them a contact. And then you can also, from your database manager, you've got a track record of all your searches there, and you can just click view to see all the different results in those particular searches. Now these leads are in here safely, so no matter where you are or what computer you're on, you can basically log in here and track all your leads. If you've got one of the enterprise packages, then you can actually assign leads to different salespeople. There's going to be different training on that one. That's for sales teams or larger organizations. So there's going to be different types of tools for that. Also, export features will be added into this back office, but currently you can already do exports, and you can do it here from the main page. Let's just bring back some results here. And from this arrow here, and actually if you have the browser open a little bit larger, you'll see the export text there. You can actually export them. You can just download them here, 208 contacts, into a CSV, or you can view them in your browser. So hopefully within the next couple of days, we will have the export features in the database manager, and with that you'll be able to export your managed leads or prospects or even customers. So that's going to help you get more productive and also give you more face time with your prospects, whether you're actually doing face-to-face or you're doing over the phone or even through email, however you're contacting them. So there's Local Reach. We've come a long way in a short time, and I'm really pleased to have you along with the ride. And let's see